Good morning everybody, my name's Luke Bango. I'm currently in a beautiful province called Tak, which is in Northern Thaland. I'm staying at a place called Magmai Homestay, and check it out, the place is beautiful. We're just staying in one of these little bungalows here, 530 baht tonight. But today's plan, we need to source the motorbike. We need to get a bus about an hour away to some tiny little town where we spoke to a guy last night. So hopefully we'll be picking the bike up. But I'm just going to show you around this homestay. Look at this little house here, just nestled on the little lake. Got these like A-frame bungalows. Nestled in the garden. Sorry, Cap. Good morning. Hello. I've got my friend coming to me in about 30 minutes, I think. Can you get the bus? The bus station's only about 3 clicks down the road, so we're just going to take a little ride down on the scooter on the mint, and then we'll head off to the little small town. The bike seems really cheap actually. It's a Bellini 300 TNT, 32,000 baht, which I think is a little bit reasonable. I've got a little bit of an higher budget, but if I can save a little bit of cash, I will do. But I'm just going to try to book another night, because I think we're actually just one night behind. Because after we buy the bike, we need to actually register it. So that will have to do that tomorrow. And welcome to Tak bus station, bus terminal. The place where we got to go was called Sukithai, which I thought was close, but ended up being 95 kilometres away. I've just looked on the map. So we got a nice 95 kilometre ride back when we go pick up this bike, which is quite exciting really. I don't think I've ever been to Sukithai, so we're pretty looking forward to it. We just got to wait for the minibus now, minivan takers. And for two of us, it was 140 baht, 70 baht each. And see, though it's like nearly 95 kilometres away. I think that's a pretty good deal. So I'll see you on the road in a minute. Check out the beautiful bus terminal of Tak. We've made it to province number 2. The beautiful, the ancient, the fantastic province of Sukhothai. Now let's see what's happening. Got some ancient ruins here, I'm going to have a look at them in a minute. Sukhothai Historical Park. We're just waiting for the guy to come pick us up for the motorbike. Take this crap off for a sec. We're just waiting for the guy to come pick us up for who we're going to buy the motorbike from. Check out how nice he's here. He's here. The guy's here. Come hello. The guy's here. We're in. We're in, son. He's just getting in there. Oh, he's just sitting on the back. Are we okay? Yeah, we're in. We're in. He's come get us. Come on, brother, let's go. Just got to put some air in the tyres because Lord horses in it. Maybe what a sweet little guy this car's got. Little cat there. Here we go, go, go. We made it. We would never have found it, but check out the beaut. She's here. Oh, here's the beaut. Pretty good neck actually. It's got mushrooms on. Let's give it a go clean. A little bit of paint chips here and there, but I think you'll do is we'll check the numbers. Now let's go check a few things out, we'll get back. All the numbers match, so we're there. Just need to go to the gas station. So let's see how it goes. We'll check out the ride. Got the Pirelli tyres. 100% made in Italy, not China. This year was the Italian year. I don't think China took over the top of that. It's a pretty good neck, to be honest. Seems alright. Not loads of smoke kicking out. So there she is, a trusty steed to start the journey. But check out this one I've just seen. Hello goats. Little baby goats in the house. Hello. This guy's got a couple more bikes here. I think I've got this one here. I think that's virtually the same bike. The Yamaha. Oh, cool. What a pair of nice blokes. Right, now's the thing, get the cash out. Right guys, we've got the beaut. We've just been through a quick blast out with the boys, check it out. We'll check out their bikes. It's sweet their ride, so just been out to have a ride out with the boys. These boys have got a couple of nice bikes as well. There she is in all form and glory. We're going to stick some juice in and we're going to take it for a blast. But to be fair, it's smoother than the old Ducati. But shh, I'm going to tell them that. Right. Right boys, we just start coming to this office here. Let me flip you around. But I need tax and whatever the bike. It's just having some kind of inspection now. I think we just checked for emissions and just a bit like the UK MOT, I think. got the thing for the emissions and the exhaust and that. If it's going past, I do not know. But if anyone thinks, well, I've got an hoodie on, if it's cold, oh my god, it's about 30 degrees, I'm sweating like my cobblers off. It is absolutely scorching, but I just rode about 80 kilometres, 90 kilometres back, and I'm absolutely burnt to a cinder. I just need to cover my arms up. But this is where I am in the province of Tak. We just rode back from had a good ride around Sukithai, and had a right good blast on the way back. I've got a little bit of snippets I'll put in there. So that's 2 provinces we visited now, out of the 40 odd, what I said. So I'm going to take it with us. We're going to go on a little bit of a ride after that. So let's see if we get back MOT'd or whatever. Here she is, the boot. It's like a mechanic workshop. Something to do with taxi in the back, I don't understand any of it. But we'll see how it goes. I absolutely love these. The Isuzu D-Max. Oh, check that out there. Look how cool that is and how clean that welding is. Yeah. On the strut brace on the back. Big alloys. You stretch them tyres on there, I can tell they're ready to pop off. Cool. Right, see if you've got good news or bad news. Just hang on. Good news or bad news? Looks bad. We're there, we find out. Find out on the fly.
We'll go to the ATM.
Ah, cool. Is that okay? Yeah, okay. We've just got to go get some cash, pay for it. How much is it? I'm just figuring that out, I'll tell you the price exactly.
3,000.
3,000? Right, my cost is about 3,000 baht.
300.
Right, bear with us.
3,800.
3,800? Yeah, just under 4,000 baht, 3,800. I got to nip the ATM machine and get it paid for. Well, let's check out the beauty. Check out the beauty. Yeah, we're right back. We're still plugged in. There she is, 99.9% legitimate. We just come have a ride out, just to take the old butte for a blast. I'll check it out. Don't seem to skip a beat. Absolute mint. Oh, there's a couple of scratches on it, nothing major. There's going to be more scratches on it when I finished. But I just thought I'd just show you there. These rice fields here with the mountains in the background. Have you checked out here? You got like all the rice fields with all the mountains in the background. It's a little bit hazy because it's smoky season, but it looks absolutely beautiful. Let's watch out for the snakes. Let's try to get a bit further down. Check this out. You can see some guy's got a tractor there. Must be ploughing his dirt. And you get a lot of these birds. They look a little bit like a stork, or a bit smaller. Right. This is snake country. So let's try. Be careful. Yeah, you can see the guy's flooding this field here. There, look, he's dug this bit out here so the water flows through. They must be flooding it for next harvest. Absolutely beautiful. You see the mountains in the background there with like a hazy cloud of smoke. With the with the paddy fields and all the. Oh, that's brilliant around here. We're back in the province called Tak, and tomorrow I think we're going to have a little bit of adventure to a decent waterfall. Tonight I'm just going to have a little blitz around on the bike, just get used to it and just see if there's any knickknacks I need doing. Like we need a bag rack, we need something to hold my phone for the GPS on the handlebars, like a little adapter, just things like that. Nothing major, but I'll take you with us. But check out that. The food and the smells here are absolutely just mind-blowing. Oh, it's making me absolutely starving, so I gotta have something in. What's this here? Mystery meat soup. The mystery meat. I think it's just like beef or pork, like kind of like a tripe, like a stomach. To be fair, it's quite nice. Right, we're just on this barbecue here. I've just been informed it's pig's intestines, but it looks quite nice actually. Let's scope it out. Go with the salad. I'll squeeze on the other side. Look how delicious they look. Pork intestines. Then you have it like with a bit of salad and a bit of sauce. And about 6 beers, wash it down with. Go check this out, this guy's got some tea. I'm not sure it's boiling away. Some kind of rice, and I think fried rice with different things in there. Sweet corn, what have you. This is what we're going. Straight for the pig guts. You boys here with the pig guts. To be honest, I don't know how they can make pig guts taste so tasty. Absolutely delicious. Soft. Doesn't seem fatty. Quite nice. Delicious. I love it, Mac. Right, let's see what else delicious treats there is. Right, we go for this traditional munch now. I'm not sure what it is, but we're going to test them out. Off this beautiful lady here. Sorry, card. Fucking card. I've been to every province before in Thailand. I'll tell you what, the people in Tak are brilliant. So friendly. Everybody's happy, welcoming you, smiling here. I think it's because there's not many Westerners that come here. I don't know why, to be honest. You've got everything you need. You've got the adventure, you've got decent sunsets, you've got a bit of glitz and glam if you need it. You've got the rural villages not far. Perfect location for an adventure. This is like one for the books. I really enjoyed it here. We're going for some like deep fried balls. Not sure what they are. Pork.
40 บาทค่ะเป็นเห็ดหอมไม่ใส่หมูไม่มีหมูไม่มีแป้งเลยค่ะ
40 baht, just over a quid for some kind of deep fried balls. You have to excuse me on the old culinary skills. Well, you know, eat a bit because that's size I am, but describing food or seeing what it was, that's not my strong point. But I'll still show you what it says. There. Not sure there. Them kind of bowls there, 20 baht for the medium size, 30 baht for a large size. And you got some different ones down here, them large for 49 baht, medium for 39 baht. And they are, what's inside? Meatballs made from mushrooms. Mushroom balls, vegan balls. Oh, saying that, they're probably still frying them in animal fat, but easy try. Check out fresh vegetables. Literally probably picked this morning. Got a car below. And I've yet to see a Westerner. I'm sure there's got to be some somewhere. I can't believe only one. Go on. I'm on a mission tonight. Find a Westerner and I'm going to ask them, see where they come from and see why they're in Tak. That's if I can find one. So I'll keep my eyes open. Mushroom fried balls. These two ladies. We've got a bit of professional system going here. Got receipts going. Order receipts. Print the order. Stick it on the spike. And it's clean as well. Absolutely spotless. Proper little professional setup. I'm not sure if they make them at home or anything, or if they're buying pre-buy. Oh, it smells good then. Fat boy's going for the healthy option. I'm going to have one of you. Hello, sorry, Carl. Hello. I'm going for the healthy option. Chicken and salad. Just waiting for the youngest to come get a little bit of change. Our kids just sit around complaining there's no Wi-Fi and just doing crap. At least these kids out here in the gully. The little lad is about 13 years old and he's got his own store. So look, we're on some real shit going on. Not like our slack-jawed kids that complain when the Wi-Fi doesn't work. Check all this way to bed. Looks absolutely delicious. I'm just waiting for the youth now, just to bring some change back. Whilst trying to keep my eye out for a Western and I cannot see any. So if you want a real traditional Thai experience, come to Tak. Gotta be done. We got a big bag full of goodies. But what I just wanted to point out, I've literally left the motorbike here with my brand new helmet on there. Must have been walking around the market for a good hour, having a good reach round. Look. My helmet and bike have not been touched. Good on you, Thailand.